Yeah. Hello there. This is my first video on YouTube, so I'm kind of new to this. Hey, today I'm going to kind of, I think more or less, just replace kind of this thing right here, because this is a Snap Circuits battery holder, and it's been sitting around for a while, as you might have seen. A couple of batteries that are just cooked that came off of that. That and let's see, is this the right one? That and this, right? These two, I took the batteries off already. So, the plan, assuming this goes to plan, I'm going to pry this off. I'm going to steal a connector from here, and then I'm just gonna put the connector onto here, right, as a replacement. That's at least that's a plan. We'll see how it goes. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to first attempt see if I can get this off. There we go. Fairly easy. Yeah, put that in there with the batteries. Yeah, this has got gunk in it, but we got it out. Nice and easy. I'm going to figure out how to get this out. I don't think this is gonna work. I don't think this is gonna work. It's better than nothing. It's better than nothing. Right, there we go. Got at least some of it out. Yeah, they got hair on this. Trying to come along for a joyride. So now, for assuming this goes to plan, I'm gonna take this out, this connector right here. I'm gonna steal that from there and put it into here. Assuming this goes to plan, like I said. You never know. Oh, is this coming out? Oh my god. Flying battery connector. Got it out. There we go. And now, hopefully this goes on nice and easy. I don't think that's gonna work because I got that thing right there, which we're probably gonna have to deal with before anything happens. Attempt to flatten it in. Oh, we're in somewhere. Okay. It's only better. Let's hope that works. I've may not do this, but I've already tested this, right? And I'm more or less just fixing it just for the fun of it, right? Okay, this is gonna be difficult. This is just trying to make my life difficult. Out. Oh my god. There we go. Now we're gonna have to flatten these parts right here. These things are sticking out. You have to flatten them. Gonna get them out of the way because they were originally on this thing that came from like a I don't know like what brand it's called, but it's definitely from like something that's based off of Lego Technic. Okay, but not Lego, right? I don't know. It's like science or whatnot. And like phone almost fell off. Oh, there we go. It just slides in like so. That's probably going to be a problem. That is probably going to be a problem. But yeah, that's a good start. But if I dump it out, it just falls out. Hey, just try to think of the best solution here. Right? I think, theoretically speaking, if we hook this up now, along with 2 batteries, which I've already tested, but I'll show you guys, because we all know how people like to be. They like to complain about everything. Not literally, but you know what I mean. There you go. It works. I showed you. And hopefully, this should work now that I've replaced the contact. I mean, it worked before, but just for the fun of it, I just kind of wanted to fix it. Just for the fun of it. I'm having the belly the wrong way. Oh, look at that. It works. Look at that. Fixed it. Now, one problem. Is it just pops off like so. Which is probably because I flattened it. Hey, but I will figure that out. Hey. See here. I'm probably gonna tape it just temporarily. And then maybe hot glue it later. Right? See if that works. Right. So just gonna grab a little bit of tape, just temporary, like I said. So okay. This is not gonna work, is it? Use a screwdriver for what it's not intended to be used for. This isn't gonna work, is it? No, it is not. Well, worth a try. I'm gonna have to figure out some way of holding it in place, but it's pretty good. Just fixed it, which it literally just slides out. Hey. Oh, there we go. That is. I totally didn't plan this out ahead of time. And got some stuff. So that was a really easy fix. Just hope that, like, when I fix things in the future, that it's that easy, which we all know it's not going to happen. I hope you enjoyed the video, which is definitely a first for me. If you enjoyed it, subscribe. If not, that's okay. But it's definitely a first for everything, right?